Well, the main thing there is the imports, right? The other team plays with imports whole year round, so they have about 3 to 4 imports. I know that they have 4, and they're used to playing with their imports. The PBA, you only have 1 import, right? And Sue won't be making this trip with us, so I think the adjustment is having to play with 2 imports and us without. And then also just the adjustment is we fly, right? So we're doing it in the middle of the season where you play PBA, and then every other week you're flying to Taiwan, Taipei, or Japan or Korea. So I think those are the two major things, plus the quick turnaround. Well, Elaine Maliksi got hurt, right? So he's got a broken nose. He didn't come on the trip, and then si Sue Brahimo, we had problems with getting his visa. He has a single entry visa. He's a Nigerian passport, but he won't be with us with the trip. But Prince Ibe will. He'll be showing his first time with us. He's coming off an injury. Hasn't really practiced at all with us. At one time 2 weeks ago. So it's gonna be a bit testy for us, a bit telling for us in terms of not having imports who play with us. We know the other side has been playing with 4 imports, and they rotate those guys around, right? But other than that, we're everybody's pretty much here, so it's just Banquero and Elaine Maliksi as our locals not here. Yeah, looking forward to playing AD. A lot of fun memories with AD. Obviously, when the pandemic hit, no PBA for a while, it kind of opened the door for him in Japan. He's done very well there. I know he won the MVP of the finals. He's added a 3-point shot. I'm looking forward to just seeing him actually and giving him a big hug. We don't look forward to playing him, that's for sure. But he'll be there. Tamayo, QP will also be there. So excited to see him and play against him there.